Hi guys, welcome back. EGGY Fits here, and welcome all my new subscribers. Just want to show you this one. This is a nice little showcase of AMTICO DECOR. So the product code for this is DC294. It's laid in a classic pattern, and as you can see, they wanted a border around the edge which is the same light sort of marble effect. So if you go onto the AMTICO's website, you'll be able to find it under decor, and it says our striking design amplifies classic beauty when in its marble and metallic grain combination. So there we go. Hope you like it, and if you're looking for something like this, then it's really good. It's a really nice product to lay as well. So hope you like it. If you want to know how this is put down, then check out my other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey, forgot to say that I'm on Twitter as EGGY Fits. If you want to see pictures of more flooring, look on Instagram as EGGY Fits, and I've even got a Facebook account, so you can find me there as well. So if you want to follow me on any of them, feel free to, and I'll see you in the next one.